Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I recreated this artwork piece from Coffee Man Art. So I recreated this. This was a lot of fun. Let's get to it. So first, starting off, we are just going to draw little squiggles on our face, and I am using the reference picture for this. So wherever it has drips, I'm just drawing in the drips. Now I'm taking soap to lay down my brows. Yes, I said soap because with my brows being so sparse, using glue does not work out for me. So I use soap instead, and it is Chef's Kiss. Then I go in and mark which color each layer is going to be, just so I don't get confused. Now going in with the Miron's Clown White paint, I am going in and filling in each section and making it completely white. Now going in to draw the teeth, I'm still looking at the reference picture for this, and the teeth were pretty easy. It was literally just like little hills, little half ovals, I guess you could say. So draw top and bottom teeth. And then I go in and draw in the nose. Now that we have everything completely filled in white for all the drips, we are going to use the neon yellow, neon pink, and neon blue from Midas Cosmetics. These are their pigments. Check the description box for a coupon code if you want to purchase these. First, I'm taking the yellow. This part is pretty tedious. You want to take a brush, tap it into the pigment, just continue to tap, tap, tap all around the edges. Make sure that you take just enough pigment and not too much, because it can fall onto the layer beneath it. Then I go in with the pink, and I'm doing the same thing. So just go in and tap, and you want to continue to tap and layer. So get your first initial layer down, and then once you have that down, you can go over it to make it more opaque. Then with the blue, be very careful because it is the darkest pigment. So just be careful with it. So do that to the rest of the face. Now taking a black water activated paint from Graftobian, where we drew the squiggle lines, we're going over to define those lines. This is going to give separation and add more definition to the look so it can actually stand out. Then we take a white paint, outline the teeth. Then we go in and fill the teeth in white. And here I kind of like made the teeth a little bit longer than what I wanted them to be, or a little bit shorter. So that's why it looks like this, but it'll turn out fine in the end. Then we outline the mouth area with the black paint, and then we also outline the teeth. Now taking that pink pigment, we are going in and filling in the teeth. Each one will be that bright pink color. Then with the white paint, we are outlining the mouth area. And also the nose. I wanted to go in and draw the outline around the eyes, so I knew exactly what would be that pitch dark black color. Then I filled in white around it. Now for the nose, just fill that in with a black paint. For the white area around the eye, we are using that blue pigment. And then for the area around the nose that we put white, it's going to be yellow. For the mouth, we are filling this in completely black. And I'm using a cream paint for this so it can be the most opaque. Also fill in the rest of the face, that black color, and the neck area. To set that black cream paint, we are using a black eyeshadow. I wanted to go in with some drips on the neck because it looked a little bit bare on the neck and the chest area. I took that black water activated paint and started to make drips down the chest. In the reference picture, it had a little bit of a jawbone. So for the jawbone, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and outlining it and then filling the rest of that outline in with a black water activated paint. The reference photo also had these little wiggly drips, so I went in and made those with the white and black paint. Go in and put some white highlights on the teeth. And so because I just couldn't leave it like this, I still felt like something was missing. I went in with the black glitter from Midas Cosmetics, and that glitter is in my soul. And I put this everywhere that black was. So on the mouth, on the eyes, on the sides of the face, and also on the neck. Now with this 3D gel from Miron, and make some drips on the top of my head. And also this has like, see that little pop there? You could just pour it out, and I did not notice for the longest time. So yeah, just pour it out. But be careful with this because it will be hot or warm, and a little bit goes a long way with this. Once you put it on, it's just going to drip and go whichever way it wants to go. So don't use too much. Then you can use the back of the brush to manipulate it and kind of fill up the area that you want it to fill. To give it some color, I'm taking a pink and a red water activated paint to fill it in. Add some of the red water activated paint and some of the high points onto it and on the ends of the drip so it can actually look a little bit more like blood. And that is it. That is my recreation of the Coffee Man art photo, and I think that it came out pretty well. I don't know, you guys let me know. Like, do you like it? How do you feel about it? This is a part of my Bevelween series, so hopefully you like it, and I will be back soon with another tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and turn on your notification bell to know exactly when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.